This was my first pregnancy and this is my baby Suhavi Singh, and like all other mothers, I was very anxious of having the right gynecologist to have the right, calm and smooth pregnancy. I was lucky enough to have Dr. Nitika Sopti, who introduced me to this marvelous concept of Virtue Baby. Virtue Baby, as the name suggests, means the baby with all goodness, everything that a parent would want the child to possess. Now, when I conceived, obviously like other parents, I also started thinking that how will I bring up my baby, what all values would I be inculcating, how would I spend time, his or her development activities. Is when I thought about the Virtue Baby and when I was given the complete knowledge about it, these 9 months that a mother has to go through, they have to be lived very beautifully. The complete contribution from the parent's side in terms of giving virtues to their baby who is yet to be born does not really start with the postnatal period. It actually starts when the baby is in the womb. It is in the hands of parents and in the hands of mother to make sure that the environment that she is living in is very positive, is beautiful and is calm for the baby. I'm a working mother, I go to office, and when I come back to home, yes, of course, I have to make sure that that stress level that I bring from office, they are very balanced so that my baby is not affected. Same goes with my husband. Whatever the kind of day that he's had, when he came back home, we had that lovely conversation that our baby was enjoying. And that's how it is. When I get the result and I see my baby today, and the comparison when I do with the other age groups, I see my baby to be chirpy. She greets everybody with chuckle, with a smile, and not a baby who's very idle and who's not talking much. So this is something that I think that yes, the virtues, Suhavi, the virtues that I wanted in my baby, I have seen it. We used to play a lot of devotional music for her when she was in womb, so that she knows when she's born what is it that she should be. So the virtues that we wanted to give to our child, I started, both me and my husband, we started contributing it. For example, visiting temple, doing the part every day, playing certain nice songs for her, talking to her on daily basis. And now when the baby is out, I see that yes, she can, there is a bond that both me and my husband have been successful in establishing with her. For example, playing rhymes for her, being musical with her, talking. Look, you can actually see the way she's talking. Exactly, that's what I'm telling them, Suhavi. So this is how it is, it has been. It's very important that a mother and the father, they contribute during this 9 months of pregnancy, so that when the baby is born, you don't really have to start the contribution round again. It is already there in the baby. The values that you want to give to their child, it's very important that this all is done in a period of 9 months. It becomes very easy, a very easy pregnancy. For baby, it becomes easy. And yes, one more point that I wanted to bring up here was, I had a labor of 7 hours and I really enjoyed that labor. Reason being, it was a nature's call, but I was so positive in my mind that yes, I'm giving birth to a very beautiful creature on this earth, so I have to go through this difficult time. And it wasn't that difficult because it's completely a mind game. If you think it's nice, it's positive, it's beautiful, you can do it very nicely. So it wasn't a tiring experience, it was rather a very beautiful experience that I lived for the 9 months. And this is my Virtue Baby, and her name is Suhavi Singh. Suhavi, you can smile at them. Hello. How do you smile, darling? Yes.